Welcome to Body Mechanics Orthopedic Massage and our cupping massage therapy program. Cupping is a modality that uses negative suction to lift the tissue rather than push down on it like in a typical massage. All of our cups are made from high-grade silicone for easy cleaning and safe usage. During a cupping massage, the cups are placed gently on the client's skin to create a negative suction. Once placed, the cups can be incorporated into the massage in a variety of ways, according to the client's preference. Cups can be used statically, which means they stay in one place on the body, or we can use assistive movement to create more surface tension on the skin. We can also use the cups dynamically, which means they're moving across the surface of the skin with lift. For more sports-type applications, we also might use them actively, involving the patient's movement. Whatever your preferences are, we hope to build a treatment for you that is both relaxing and beneficial. You can book at any one of our 2 locations in Manhattan.